It's -6. Well, now it's 4 degrees, but it says -6. Banda's out here trying to do mechanical for you guys. A lot of you watched my last video, so thank you so much. One thing you mentioned is that I don't go through every single detail on how to do the mechanical. Lala, you know when you're outside in the Sardi, you cannot do mechanical and record at the same time. So I got my Lala here, Mr. Hawks here, recording for me. And today we're installing a VW emblem reversing camera. And Jaraj boost diya, so please like, comment, share and subscribe. And now we'll do the mechanical. Chalo, so on the bar, that's the wiring I'm missing. This is the camera. That's the badge that goes on top. That's the wiring, water pipe. It's been a while since I've last done this, so please bear with me though, start. So you gotta take this off first. So, and I think you need a T20. We'll find out now. But look how cold my hands are. They're red. 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so now we need to take off this piece. And what we're going to do is, once the camera is up here, we're going to wire it through here, around here, down here, across here, through this tubing, through here, around here, straight through the car and the back of the MIB. Yeah, my hands are freezing. Make sure that you don't lose your screws. So have like a little dubber lying around.
I thought Shani was bringing me out lunch.
No. Let's put this badge on the new reversing camera. It comes with it. Everybody asks me, bro, do you do mechanical? Can you install a dash cam? Can you do this? No, you're right. Mariko time Koni. Adam, how long has it been since you've had this camera?
That's a very good question, actually. 9 to 10 months.
Is it that long?
Aye,
VW. It's so cold, I can't do this. It lines up. Shall I leave the sticker on there?
Really, I want that fresh feeling.
Alright, so what we're going to do now is take this one off. Once we've done this, the rest is somewhat easy. It's been a while since I've done this. Oh, it twists, that's right. There we go. Put this one on. Adam, look, there's a hole in your Concordina. This is your old one. So basically, you see this? That's your boot handle, right?
Yeah.
And then whenever pani comes, it goes in there, down through there, and there's a pipe. So this thing here is your old pipe. This thing here. So you connect that, the pani goes down there and straight out.
He spoke a language I don't even know what he just said.
On this one, yeah, we need to reinstall it. It's so cold that Banda can't even use my hand properly.
It's so windy that the bar flying.
Alright, come on. So this is the old one. As you can see, it's got this pipe which connects to this pipe and lets water out. What we need to do is install something similar on this one, which is this. My hands are so cold I can't even function. Alright. This is why you need an empty boot, so you know. Oh no, you know what? Let me put it in here. Put it in the bus so don't get lost. See, Bunda stairs. Make sure you have like a generic screwdriver set so you can do some mechanical. So if you were to get this from VW, I think it's £1,000. Well, it used to be £1,000. I don't know how much it is now. This camera was how much? Is 60 quid?
Yeah, I think so. With shipping.
And so you save like no. What the? Why? Alright, I think we're done with this. This should connect onto that, or would it connect into that one?
You're asking the moon through this hole, you know, still.
So when you do mechanical, the best thing to do is do it in steps and not be a hero and try to rip everything off, because then that's when the panga isn't janga. Okay, bismillah. Bismillah. Put this pipe back in. Will it go on? Oi, Jania. There we go. We've clicked it back in. The water pipe's been connected, and now we can start putting everything back together. Leave the film on there.
Leave the film on there, pack some down.
So now we've got the badge in place, we need to attach the wiring. So the best way I like to do it is start from there, run the cable across the car, bring it up to here, rather than doing it this way, because you're going to get bunged out trying to get these cables through these pipes. So let's run the cables through and then we come back to here. Get these cables behind the MIB from there, and it's going to run across here, up here, and then from here it's going to run across here into this pipe up here, and then bang, connected. This, as I said, is going to run up here and at the back of the MIB. This is the thing, when you come back to something a year later, you aren't even.
Good.
Yeah, it's fine. Run it up here. Done. I really can't be asked. I think we got a gap in it big enough.
Oh, he's found the gap.
Looks like it. We need you there.
Trying to pull it.
Put it as much as you can.
Yeah, rip it.
The issue is it's aluminium, so I'm cutting my hand on the. See, it's nearly there. My hand's too fat. So yeah, okay. See my hand. Look at this. Look at this.
The damage he does. I'll show you how.
Aye. Man's been wounded. It's all come on that.
He's got battle wounds.
Chilla. So now we need to put the next cable in.
The hands are looking a bit mad, you know, because they look like they've been hurt.
Man fighting wolves and that. Alright, so this is going to go back off the MIB. This again, the same wiring setup. किधर गया? Chalo. I'm hoping this one should be easier. Where is the cable going? Alright, so we've got both cables through. We're gonna run up here into there. We've hid the cables across here and then over here. Hidden, so you can't see it. Now I've just gotta close this up. See, now if it rains, not that bad.
We've done the main part in it.
The hardest part of all of this is removing these. You don't want to break these, because if you break these, body comes in here, into here and onto your roof line. This is what they don't show you on all the YouTube videos, because they're like, do this, do that, and you're done. Oh, you're not chup karna. Guys, do dua that it doesn't start raining in the next half an hour. Chaudhary. Here tak. Look there.
Aye.
Hi, Chaudhary. This ain't gonna fit.
I ain't gonna fit.
Jyoti.
No chance.
And फिर पजी गया. Oh my days. VW, please, whoever's in charge of the engineering department, tell us to have some badams because this is taking the mick now. The lengths we go.
Thank you, VW. I understand why they charge £1,000 now. Maybe sensors are a bad idea.
This is why you can't record it again. Because how am I supposed to hold a camera and get my finger in? I got fat fingers, bro.
Yeah, mine don't have either.
Look at this. We nearly there. It's here. I think it's almost there. Come on. My finger. My finger's gone.
Oh,
VW bandana putter ban, okay? Please.
too bad at shit. Oh, too bad at shit.
Ah!
Bro, what that? You spent like half an hour trying to do that.
More than that.
Was that the hardest thing you've ever done?
You ever done?
Oh, me? Yeah.
You see why I was crying when
Believe me, guys, if I had to do this alone, the car would look like this for the rest of my life. But thanks, VW, for the challenge.
now it's gonna wire everything up. So this red cable goes here to here. This one goes to here. This one goes to this thing. This I wanna swear, but I can't. But we're 90% there now. Man's been wounded. Zakhmi, you know that cold. Sardi over here, dosta. It's cold. Tan lagi hai.
It's raining.
So now connect this E cable to the reversing light, and what we do is strip this, connect it to the reversing light, which is a black and blue cable. Put it in the crimping tool.
We call it crumpet tool.
Crumpet tool.
What is it?
Crimping tool.
Crimping.
Crimping.
That's how it's meant to look, yeah.
We use a T-top connector to connect this bar to the reversing one there. So let's just do that. Yeah. Put it in here. I like to do double. So once you crimp it, it is more secure. Yeah, that should be. There you go, rock solid. What we do. So how do you remove the butty tar, right? You get your knock on, pull down on that, press on that, bus. Yeah. And now I've got to remove this tape. Just gotta make sure that you're careful, Ramin, don't go cut another cable. And you'll be like, oh, top, not said, yeah, you gotta cut this, and then, bro, do that at your own risk, because I'm just teaching you, yeah? If you do panga, that ain't changa, don't call me.
I will, though. Oh, it's raining.
Don't say that.
It's faulty.
So remove the black tape. So you're looking for the black and blue tar, which is here. We're gonna take some chilk off. There you go. See, just a bit. Don't take the whole tar off. Is that enough? Alright. Okay, chalo. This is how you protect our electrics. Don't try. We use a solid bar, basically. There you go. We're okay.
Do not try out.
Yeah, don't try it. I'm gonna start putting the panels back.
Do your side first.
This is why you don't do weekend key in the winter.
I swear to you guys, this must have been an hour's job at least. And I saw in the morning your jacket was dry. You like you jumped in the water or something.
It's all done. Now the rest of the stuff will happen at the front. Alright, so it's many weeks later, the rain stopped, and I've got a bolt head. So now the plan is to get the cables from here that we bought from the back, plug it into the MIB and the fuse box. The ones in the MIB are going to be for the camera, so you text the camera's there, and the ones in the fuse box are for power. So let's get started. We're going to disconnect this, what do I even call this, hinge door. Alright, so first things first, we need to remove the MIB, make sure you have the keys. Alright, so this is the cable. You can see it's a bit of a mess. So this and this, these two are going to be attached to a piece of metal for ground. This and this will go into the fuse box. This will go into the quad lock behind the MIB, and then this will have the existing cable go into there, then into the back of the MIB wire quad lock. So let's do that. So right now we are going to ground the two pieces of black cable to that bolt where the screwdriver is currently positioned in. It's a T30. We'll slightly loosen it, put the two black cables around it, and then we're good. One of them will require a ring terminal, so we'll install that and then ground both cables. So this is the two grounding cables. We'll put the nut through it like so, and then reattach it. Alright, so we've grounded the ring terminals. Now it's time to add the fuses. Alright, so now that we've grounded the two black cables here, we're going to add these into the fuse box, put them in, and then the next thing to do and last thing to do is basically mess with the quad lock. As you can see, we've added the two fuses into the fuse box. Now it's time to play with the quad lock. Alright, so we've disconnected the MIB. This is the quad lock. So that grey will go into here, then that will go into there. This blue will go into there. Now we've run the cables up here, across here, back here. Oh, great. So this one has more cables that need to be moved across. So we've opened this up using this, and now we'll move the cables across. Come on. Alright, pull the black cable. Again. Contact. Alright, Bismillah. Inshallah this works. Inshallah. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Then I don't know then. Okay, so we've reconnected the quad lock, moved the cables across. It's time to connect this back to the MIB and do dua. Everyone say Inshallah in the comments, and this will work.
If you don't see this video, it definitely will work.
Want to start the coffee?
Okay, thank you.
He's ready, man. He's ready. So this is a scary moment.
I'm the apprentice though.
Go.
Moment of truth, boys.
Bismillah. So the installation is complete. All the links will be in the description below. And just to show you one more time how it looks in the dark, pour it in reverse. And there you have it. And it also moves with the wheel. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Subscribe, like, comment, all of that. And more mods coming soon.